Wait, alam niyo ba na may masarap na authentic Italian food dito sa Mandaluyong? Para sa akin, this is another hidden gem na dapat niyong matry. This is Rosa Italian Goodness along Barangka Drive lang. Matagal ko nang nadadaanan tong place na to and finally na-try ko na rin. What makes it special? Almost everything is made from scratch. From their pasta, noodles, sourdough pizza dough, pastries, all the way to their gelato. What I tried, first their 9-inch affettati misti. This is their all-meat pizza with Italian speck, coppa, and cooked ham on a sourdough crust. Grabe, I can't believe na may ganito palang pizza near me. My son loved authentic Italian carbonara, yung eggs no cream, so of course we had to order it. And look at this gorgeous pasta, he absolutely loved it. One of my favorite pasta is ravioli, kaya natuwa ko nung merong ravioli ang Rosa Italian Goodness. Ang sarap! The pasta was so fresh and I love the texture. Of course, we tried the lasagna too. Look at the cheese! Rich and flavorful pero well-balanced and hindi nakakaumay. Then their pastries. The Pono chocolate is flaky and buttery with rich dark chocolate, while the pistachio eclair has that roasted pistachio flavor in every bite. And don't skip the gelato. Available from 3 p.m. until closing. I tried their stracciatella and pistachio. Super creamy, just the right sweetness and perfect after the meal. Konti lang yung dine-in space nila, but if napadaan kayo dito, I suggest mag-take out kayo. Pwede din magpa-arrange ng delivery, just message them sa social media accounts nila. I loved my new discovery, Rosa Italian Goodness, adding this to my Mandaluyong food finds.